First, remove the 4 end cover inspection plugs. This allows access to inspect the clearance between the rotor and the shoe using a feeler gauge. If this clearance exceeds the recommended clearance for your drawing, then an adjustment is needed. Loosen the end cover nuts and bottom set screws to allow for movement. If necessary, use a soft-faced mallet to release end covers from sticking to the housing. Next, tighten the 2 bottom set screws on the end cover so that the rotor is drawn up tight next to the shoe, ensuring proper alignment. Recheck the gap with feeler gauge. If the feeler gauge will not fit in the gap, proceed with adjusting to achieve the proper gap based on the temperature of application. If the feeler gauge will still fit in the gap, contact Delta Ducon. Begin setting the proper clearance gap by alternately loosening the bottom 2 set screws, a half turn at a time, and rechecking the gap with the feeler gauge each time until the proper gap setting is achieved. Ensuring a consistent rotor shoe clearance at each inspection port. Secure the end covers by tightening the 4 corner nuts and rechecking the clearance. If the clearance is still correct, then tighten the remaining nuts, securing and sealing the end covers to the housing. Finally, install and tighten the inspection pipe plugs. Then the bolts and washers that seal the adjustment set screws located near the bottom of the housing. If you encounter any problems, please refer to the standard manual for further guidance.